If your toilet does this, you need to check it ASAP. Most toilet problems don't start big. They start small and ignored. First up, external stability. Start with the toilet seat. If it wiggles, check underneath. Those bolts loosen over time. A quick tighten can save you from that awkward sliding seat moment. Next, check the base. If your toilet rocks, it's not supposed to. This isn't a theme park ride. Those small caps, they protect the bolts that secure your toilet to the floor. Don't ignore them. Now let's look inside the tank. Carefully remove the lid. This is the float. It controls the water level. If it's not working right, your toilet might run nonstop, like your brain at 2 a.m. This is the flapper. It opens and closes during a flush. If it's worn out, water leaks constantly and your bill slowly cries. Now check for leaks. Look around the base, the tank, and connections. If you see water where it shouldn't be, that's your sign. And no, it didn't just appear. Because a 5-minute check today can save you from a very bad day tomorrow.